Now we will create a spur gear design. This is our fifth exercise in our manufacturing technology 2 practicals. So let's give a gear 01 version. Okay, 01. Okay, and here select the model and inches in inches, because most of the AGMA thread systems works in this basis. Then let's create a sketch for a particular in the front plane. Sketch views. Okay, okay, we are going to create a sketch in the front plane. Okay, rest all everything is fine. For that, let's create circle. Okay, the circle basically comes as pitch circle, that is at 2.5 mm, 2.1 mm. This is from the calculation for a pressure angle of 20 degrees and with let's change the text size then. Okay, text size, let's keep it 0.25. Okay, now let us fit it. This will go here and fit it here. We have created a pitch circle. Now we are going to create a root circle and the outside diameter. The root circle diameter is 1.85. Okay, 1.85. Okay, and the OD outer diameter is 2.3 inches. Okay, from the same location point. These three circles are very important for gear design, for selecting gear also. So let's make this sketches as references. We are not going to use this. Okay. Now we are going to create a 10-degree angle. If you do that 360 degree by number of teeth, 21 teeth we are going to create, and that unit if you convert in angle, it will come 10 degrees angle. That is 90 plus 10 degrees, so 100 degree I am giving. Okay, close it. And again, we are going to mirror this in between the tooth profile. We are going to create one more symmetric line for the tooth profile, that is involute tooth profile. Let's give this as 90 plus 5, 95. That is symmetric center line. Okay, close it. Now this also going to become a reference line only. We are not going to use this feature in our extrude. Okay, now we are going to create a line by using midpoint, line from midpoint. That line should go in tangent to the circle, that pitch circle. Okay, from this point it goes tangent, okay, to the circle. Escape it. From this point we are going to create one more line. That line goes down at an angle to the previous tangent line to the circle, pitch circle, at 20 degree. This is what our pressure angle. This is what decides the gear design. Okay, this should be 20 degrees. Basically, the pressure angle for spur gear ranges from 20 and down to 14 degrees. Then only it will engage and run smoothly and steadily. Once it's done, then this also going to become reference lines only. Let's make it very clear here. Let's make it okay. Then let's draw a circle, that is was base circle, from the same center point tangent to this pressure angle line. Okay, tangent. Okay, tangent to this pressure angle line. Okay, this circle is also, this is base circle, this is root circle, this is PD circle. From this point, we are going to create a circle by using this as a, from using this as a center, intersection point as a center, and this as circular, okay, radius we have created. We are going to create one more circle from this, from this point to this point, okay, intersection point. Now the tooth profile will come automatically. Now this, so far we have done only this much, and again we have to make these all, these two circles as just references. Okay, now done. Okay, now you see the tooth profile, involute gear, just like that it comes. Okay, from this to this line, let's try it, then close it. Let's draw an arc, let's draw an arc from center. That center comes from this point, that arc starts from the end of this, end of this point, end of this line to the intersection of this two points, these two lines. Okay, now close it. Now take the symmetry or mirror of these two, mirror of this to the center line, this one, apply, and mirror of this arc to the center line, this one. Okay, this is what basically our tooth. Okay, and the tooth profile. Okay, now it is escape. Let's draw a straight line only, or otherwise arc also will do, but straight will make sense. This one, array escape. Let's draw a line from this intersection point to this intersection point. Okay, then close it. Okay, this is what our basic profile, and an arc, one more arc to cover this. From okay, from, we should go always anti-clockwise from this to this point. Okay, now you got the closed profile. Okay, rest all fine for this gear teeth. This is what gear teeth design. And again, you can create one more circle also. Let's create this circle, but this will not be good at the idea. Let's finish this sketch. Now we got the tooth profile, okay, like this. Then if you extrude this by 0.5 mm, okay, okay, and apply it, this is what our teeth profile. And if you take the circular pattern of that particular feature, okay, this feature, we are going to create this feature as a pattern, okay, and we are going to specify the vector y-axis, and in this we are going to use 21 counts teeth. The count is 21 and pitch angle is 360 divided by 21. Okay, 360 degree divided by 21 teeth. Okay, this is what that. Okay, apply. Okay, now the gear, basic gear has come. The one more extrude will fix this gear, spur gear design. Let's draw the circle of the root diameter. Root diameter is 1.85 for our design as per calculation. And one more circle of 1 inch, 1 inch at the center. Okay, okay, close it, then finish it. Okay, we are extruding and inferring. Okay, or otherwise you can unite it with this like body. Okay, okay, that's all. That's all about the gear design. Okay, this is what our spur gear. Even if you change the extrusion, it will look similar to our the exercise given in our practical syllabus. Take that as 1 inch, and this one also to 1 inch. Then it will look similar to the exercise we are creating, the practical exercise we are going to do. This is the spur gear design, and we have to manufacture it by using the machines in the workshop. Spur gear design. Thank you for watching this.